The platinum is always.
Buksan ko na, mamaya na lang.
Are you gonna sing? No? Fuck it.
Simulan mo yun.
Sino ba sila? No si balasi. Sino? Joy.
Yes.
No, it's okay.
Taras-taras mo siya.
Why are you not singing, Tito? Yes. Wala mo si Miriam kung paano haluin. It's yours. Halo, halo. Halo is black.
Rob the jewelry store, tell them make me a crib.
Wow, too late. Okay, Tito. See you later. Va a conducir el Tito entonces. Bueno. Tito, espera.
Okay, same principle as the automatic. This is the revolution, the gas pedal, the front brake. This is the clutch.
Okay.
And
Freno.
this is no, not freno. Clutch.
What is glass?
Los cambios de marcha, creo.
Ajá.
This is cambio. Gears. This
Oy.
one.
It's many things here.
Yeah. For example, di ba? At cars, the one that this is the cambio
Mm.
and this is
Yeah.
the
Where-
clutch. Just like this.
Yan, like embrague y tal, pero... ¿No?
This one is easy to release.
Yes. And then you change like this?
Yeah.
Or like
yeah.
this.
And this one is
This is to add gears. Add. This is for plus
And to
this
put
is
down? Ah, okay.
Yeah, okay.
this
Down.
is broom broom.
Okay.
Yeah, we
more
can see here in the panel that
Where they say which nuts are you?
neutral, and this will tell what gear are you.
Okay.
Yeah, it has 5 gears,
Eh,
5 cambios.
So it's not automatic, this one.
Yeah, this is manual.
Manual.
It's a little bit
Okay. Yes.
hard to drive, but it is fun to drive. Okay. I'll demonstrate it first, okay?
Okay.
So I'm in first gear.
okay.
I'm already at first gear. Then I already press the clutch.
Okay. And the
Okay.
frenos?
Frenos is
Right there.
front.
Okay.
And this is the rear. I forgot.
What is that?
For rear, for the likod na front. Ay, likod na preno.
Sa baliktad.
Sa likod, yeah, sa likod.
Frenos de traseros.
Ah, so you do both when you stop? Or
Yeah,
you,
of course.
yes, if you only
Yeah.
do the ones up there, you die?
No,
Okay.
it's not, but it's slow to
To frenos, okay.
Yeah, so, okay, yeah. Okay, let's start.
Go, Shari. Oy,
I'm sorry, I'm not used to this
don't worry.
motorcycle. Yeah, to add.
1,
Yeah, 1.
2.
But
It's a bit.
Tito Bern said
It's
we will go to the river side.
yes, why don't this side?
I don't second lang, but mainit. Magpahangin tayo konti. For fresh air.
Hmm. Ay. Ay.
Wait.
Yes. Maybe I
Get
go
down.
down. I'm so heavy.
Carmela, sit. Dito ka.
Okay.
Stay there. Tira, kumabing. Yeah.
You made it.
Sorry. No? I'm not used to this motorcycle.
Excuses.
La más cómoda. You want to swim in the river?
Not now.
Okay.
Do you want to?
Whenever you want, but before we go. Right. These days.
I learned how to swim there at that river.
You know how to swim?
Yeah, I know, but last time my pants is losing, so that I'm not.
Okay.
Sorry. Sorry.
Don't worry. Bye.
We will go back.
Okay, but how you gonna turn back with this one? Really difficult. I'm going down.
No.
It's dangerous.
Don't worry.
So I drive now.
No, don't drive.
I'm happy with the scooter anyway.
Okay. You can go to this scooter. Yung scooter na lang, pero yung scooter ni Tito Brian. This is heavy. I think you can't drive this.
Okay. The scooter is already good for me. I love it.
Sige, mauna ka lang. This is the gas.
Okay, guys.
Gas, then rear brake, then
This
the
is the frenos.
yeah, frenos.
It's like the bike.
Yeah, just like the bike. Okay. Then keep it balanced.
Beep, beep.
The horn.
Okay. So may I try Tito? You don't
Later,
trust?
later.
You don't trust?
Ah, you want na? Okay.
Maybe. You trust?
Of course.
Adios, Carmela.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe I'll get the camera so that
Yes.
you can focus. Sige.
Like that, no? You know?
Wait. To start the engine you should. Sige.
Like this.
Yeah, then
Like this.
it's already press the preno, then the start. No, not that one. Yeah, that one. Sige.
Already?
Yeah.
No.
To start the engine.
Okay, and then I do like this.
Yeah, then but no, but
Okay, not again.
this is to start engine.
Okay,
only,
one time.
Okay, one time.
And then I put out this one.
Oh, wait.
And then I start.
Then okay, but slowly ha.
Okay,
Little bit.
okay, yes. Just hold on. Okay, I'm
Okay, but
just scared.
no, I'm not scared. Sige.
Several days
Okay,
later.
okay.
Okay.
I'll just assist you for a while.
Okay.
Okay. Okay then.
Okay. I think it's okay. Like, it's not
okay.
very difficult. Yeah.
Careful ha.
Yeah. I'm slow. And then if I try, just put the camera on.
How?
You see, just no, it's already recording.
It's already recording.
Yes, yes. So they are.
I'm not used to this.
They didn't wait for us.
Yeah, it's okay.
You know the
Turn
way?
right. Yeah, turn right. Slow down and turn right.
Here.
Here, yeah. Preno.
Ah.
Oh my God, preno.
Wait.
Preno.
Don't worry. We're going around. You scared, lol. Because I have to get the curve. It's the first
Sige.
lesson.
It's okay.
Okay, we're gonna.
Wait.
Oi! Wait.
You can turn.
Yes.
Careful ha.
Yes, like
Use the preno ha.
okay, I forgot. It's okay.
It's our life. The preno.
It's you don't gonna die like this.
I don't want.
Okay, now? Yes.
Now I'll. Okay, you.
Oh.
Careful.
Okay.
Slow down. We're not in a hurry, okay?
Okay, but where is them?
Sige. Just follow this path.
Okay.
Okay.
It's funny.
What?
Maybe I buy one of these and I leave it sa Lola's house.
It's maybe if you can afford this, it is worth your
Put the red sa the
budget.
camera.
Okay, sorry.
Sorry, Bo.
I'm not used to
Yeah, I'm not used to the
holding.
motor. You're not used to the camera. Magkano one of this one?
80,000.
80,000 would
Yeah,
be like...
it's too much.
No, it would be like... It's okay po.
But this is very old, huh?
Yeah, I don't
The
care.
the
Where is
the
it? This way.
okay. Preno, okay.
Okay po.
Preno, use preno.
Because...
Maybe okay, it's
We
put
change
the-
for now and then later.
No, this is good. We can park here, there.
Ah, this is already a house?
Yeah, this is already the house.
I didn't know.
Okay.
It was cool. Thank you. You suffering.
Maybe we should use a newer motorcycle so that you can enjoy.
Yes, I think so.
This is old.
If I learn old one, I'm gonna be professional with the new one.
No,
You
it's-
have
it's
old
not
new
in
one.
Good condition. This motorcycle is not in good condition. So that's why. Good afternoon.
Hello. Sí.
Bien, ¿no?
No sé, pregúntale al Tito. Genial. Pregúntale al Tito.
So kami alam. Dapat magamit yan.
Mamaya na. Bless ka kay Lola.
Ah,
Lola.
sí, ahora. No, voy a caer.
Here.
Be careful.
Uy na si Papa Mas.
Qué chulas estas.
Iwan na tenemos en el mango. El de mangos. Nandrive.
Ya no?
No, además de que están...
Plak ka. Asan?
Ante, aquí lang ang papasali. Kaya rin ni Angat. Nagira mo susod din si Raya. At ang
Está bien. Lo voy a colgar ya.
Agi raman susod din. Ayan. Agwa raman chichichiriya. Kanto. Nga po. Kinlabat. Pising. Ikan. Pising.
Bukado. Agama kay Bawi.
Tayo.
Agama kay Bawi.
kami. Nawilgara kami. Nandiyo. Sikin mo. Nagapo. Aganan lang ko natan. Ang tago. Aganan lang ko natan. Ang takit. Amay. Ang talag ni si quality. Quality. Talag ni si
Kula lang bibitaw.
Kaya may ang hugto. Almusal tanghalian. Sa atagayagaw lang ng limangon ni Raya ay nasa wanita.
Sir, kaya pa siya pa nabigan.
Hindi, managabalin pag kani. Ang tabali-bali dito kuya pang balas. Ang ama to. Ante, sa ikaw na. Kuha na natin sa'yo na. Throw away, kwento. Aso sa atin, Del. Ano ka? Malay ka? Ay, sa pangit ka. Dito?
Vamos que nos vamos.
Tan, nagaw nandar. Kaya ba?
Sanayla, tungka. Fern, sanayla.
Iki mo talaga atay stand.
Stan.
Tani, basta uli mo. Ah.
Ano? Bakit pa kuma?
Paano nga pala yung gasto ya? Ata ka na lang kasi gasto.
Ha?
Ay baka magdali-video ta.
Ay, kinakaroon. Different sa araw.
Niya. Stand nyo.
Ano po na rin?
Stand to. Basta kimulbatan. Okay, let's go.
Okay,
Stand
Tito.
na rin. May stand ka.
You hold the camera.
Okay.
Like
I'm gonna
diretso,
hold this.
diretso.
Okay, sige, diretso. Slow down, ha?
Okay po. You show the direction. You go first. Bueno, grabaste atrás. No sé.
Wait.
I don't know the way.
Ah,
We go first. Tito.
okay. Just slow down, ha? Di Gas! Woo! Bangga kami dyan, boss.
It's okay. Ya tengo más control ahora. I do better now, Tito.
Yeah, you do better now.
Wait, it's
Wait,
no,
wait.
no more.
Wait, if you start, you should press any brake so that it should,
Like, why this one? Like,
yeah. Okay, I will dive. Excuse me, I will dive.
okay, wait.
Sige.
Let's go like this.
Sige.
Well, I was good, but then.
Because the fuel is empty, I think.
Okay.
Look at the fuel. We'll use the other motor, the
Okay.
Tito Bryce motorcycle, so that you can enjoy it.
Se acabó mi driving lesson, pero está bien. No hay gasolina. Bye.
You want to take
Yes,
to
sir.
take over? Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Okay, then slow down, huh?
Okay.
Uy, slow down.
Wait.
Take your time,
I'm
huh?
going this way.
No, don't go
Why?
fast.
Not fast, but it's like this way only.
Use brake. Okay, use brake now.
Oh yeah.
Okay, use brake.
Oh, it's
Okay.
Wait.
Okay. Sige, straight. Don't be fast. Slow down.
Funny this one. I like the motorbike. It's better than the tricycle. More
Yeah.
funny. And now I'm gonna go.
You can, if you want to go to adventure, buy a automatic that is adventure bike.
Okay.
But this is for city. However, this is city bike. However, it's what can I call it? It's already wrecked.
You know the todoterreno? Like all the moto for all the places?
Yeah.
So one of these.
Slow down.
Yes, you know. Eh. I think for Tito is enough. He's gonna have a heart attack.